How to redeem Discord Nitro code. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your preferred web application from your device. At the top search bar, you have to type in Discord login. Tap on the official website of Discord. And from here, get logged into your Discord account. Tap on three-dot icon, then check the box of desktop site. Tap on Open Discord in your browser. And once you are logged into your Discord account, you will see a page like this. Under here, tap on to User Settings. Then you will see the option of Gift Inventory. Tap onto it. And here you will see Received a code for Nitro or a game that's exciting. Enter the code here. Once done, tap on Redeem. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.